the free-form smoothie recipe. Some days when it's time to make a smoothie, you have no inspiration or recipe, you just use what you have on hand and you get creative. I do this a lot. Nutritarian eating then turns into free-form formulas rather than rigid rules, and it also becomes so much more enjoyable. A high-speed blender like a Vitamix is preferable so you don't have chunks. We ended up making enough smoothie for 2 days worth here, and when we have extra like this, I like to fill up the quart jars to the top and lid them and just put them in the fridge. They keep for 24 to 48 hours depending on the ingredients and the freshness. I actually keep them for a couple of days often. The taste might change, you might lose a little bit of nutritive value, but hey, you used stuff up in the fridge and you didn't waste money, so that's a win. Today on hand in the refrigerator is cauliflower rice, a bag of broccoli, some beautiful fresh beets. We're going to use the leaves and some of a beet. Don't use too much raw beet or the taste isn't going to be so good. Then there's this sad chard and kale. We're going to wash up the leaves anyways and use what we can. Once you've made smoothies for a while, you can eyeball the amounts. Basically, we fill up the blender container 1/2 to 3/4 full of greens or more. This amount of broccoli is going to make for a thick smoothie though, one that's perfect for making a smoothie bowl. Of course, if you want it thinner, add more water. We will add some fresh ginger and turmeric with a twist of freshly ground pepper. We do the pepper because it helps the body utilize the curcumin and the turmeric, makes it a little more bioavailable. And then the magic comes to you. You learn what you like and what you don't like, add or subtract to your preference. In the beginning of my Eat to Live journey, I often added dates or more extra bananas, really ripe extra bananas to smoothies to add some sweetness. Nowadays, I don't really have to do that anymore. You just learn and you grow and you find out what you like. Now you can get your toppings prepared. For this smoothie, we're going to be using some kiwi and some shredded coconut. Pour the smoothie into a bowl, add your favorite toppings, and have a nice, hearty, satisfying breakfast that you can eat with a spoon. All right, what'd you think about that one? Interesting vegetables in there, right? Follow my tips and give this one a try. If you want to up the sweetness or anything like that, just add some more fruits that you love. Add some dates. It's going to be awesome, I promise. The recipe for this one is down below in the show more description. Make sure that you hit that little button down there or the little arrow if you're on your phone right below the video itself, and it will bring down that menu and you'll be able to see the full recipe real easy like, okay? But if you want to get a free Eat to Live 9-day challenge, like we usually do our challenges here, I'm going to give you one for free. You can sign up for it right on the homepage, thewateringmouth.com, and we will send that to you. Give it a go, see what you think. I hope you like this one. Let me know what you think. Do you have any interesting smoothie combinations that you like as well? Share it down below in the comments. I would love to chat with you about this. And lastly, if you like these videos and you want to get more Eat to Live recipe videos and other information, then please subscribe to the YouTube channel. That really helps YouTube understand that this is a well-loved channel, and we want to grow this lifestyle as much as possible, don't we? So let's share it, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. And somebody else says thank you, even though she looks a little reluctant, shall we say. All right, Moo, say goodbye to everybody. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye. Ouch, for reals though, that hurts.